Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day today. So in today's video we are going to learn how to apply nail polish like a pro. Over a period of time I have learned a lot of techniques in nail art. So I thought why not let's share it with everyone so that maybe some of you guys can benefit from these videos. So before we start, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified about all my new videos. So as you can see, I already have some nail polish on my nails, so I'm going to remove that using acetone. So before I remove my nail polish with acetone, I apply a little bit of cuticle oil or cuticle balm to just protect my skin and keep it moisture, and then I just use a cotton that is dipped in acetone and I just gently remove that nail polish. So when I remove the nail polish, I remove it from the nail surface, as well as I clean the underneath of my nails using the same acetone and cotton. And once that is done, then I normally use a Q-tip just to clean up the cuticle that stain. When you use this hard colors, then it might stain your nails, right? So you can use a Q-tip and clean your cuticle area as well as the side wall of your nails and underneath your nails, and then you can apply a little bit of cuticle oil again and just give it a gentle massage so that your nails are ready for next manicure. So that is just a quick nail care routine. I have a full nail care routine video upon my channel, so I'm gonna put the link in this description box and on the screen for you guys to check it out. And now next step is to push back the cuticle a bit. So I'm using this tool to push back my cuticle, and after that I'm using a tiny cotton ball dipped in acetone just to remove the excess oil from my nail surface. As you have seen, I did a gentle massage using cuticle oil, so now my nails have a little excess oil, so I'm going to remove that excess oil using this acetone and cotton. Now your nails are ready for manicure, and the first step is to apply a base coat. So I'm using El Corazon Iron Hard base coat. This one is my favorite base coat. I'm applying a thin layer of base coat and then I'm going to let it dry completely. So the reason we apply base coat is that a base coat literally prevents your nails from staining. So today I'm using this beautiful pink polish I got from letspurple.com. This is called Vipera. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I got it from purple.com. So any polish, before we use it, it's always recommended that you shake it well so that all the pigments and texture, if it is textured, everything is mixed properly. And when you open that nail polish bottle, as you can see, the brush has a lot of product in it. We don't want that. We are going to wipe one side of our brush just like that, and we will only have product on the other side, and that side is what we are going to apply on our nails. So as you can see, I don't directly start from the cuticle area. I always place the brush like half centimeter away from my cuticle area, and then I push back towards the cuticle area and then I drag it back to the tip of my nails. And if you notice, I am putting gentle pressure onto the bristles, and so that bristles is opening and it's spreading the product across my nail surface, and I am just doing it one left, one right and one mid, and then I'm just leveling it and I am covering my tips. So that's it. Now let's see one more time. Between the two coats, the first coat and the second coat, I always leave like at least 10-20 seconds between two coats so that your base first coat is completely dried, at least 80% dried, and then you go with the second. Now the second coat again, this time I'm not going far away from the cuticle, it's almost near the cuticle area. I am starting the middle, then the right and left, and then I'm just leveling it up, and then I'm going to cover the tips, and that's it, we are done. In case if there is too much product on your brush and you accidentally flooded your cuticle area, don't worry, we can always fix it. So almost all of you have this cleanup brush. In case if you don't have, don't worry, we can always use a Q-tip dipped in acetone to clean up those areas. So just dip your brush or the Q-tip in the acetone and just take off the excess acetone, and then gently wipe your corners, the cuticles. Wherever you have excess polish, you can just wipe it off, and always keep a tissue so that you can wipe it and reuse it. Okay, And that's it. Once this is all done, just apply a top coat and your nails are absolutely ready. Just ensure that you are covering your tips and the walls, the corners of your nails and all, so that your nail polish lasts longer. And that's it for today. I hope this video helped you to at least fix some of the issues. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, all those good things, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Until then, stay safe and please do subscribe. Thank you.